Good afternoon. I am Mr. Keshav Sargari, Principal of Good Shepherd National School, Ssalbari, Baksa. I am here present in front of you to state that there are 9 posts open in our school currently. The details of the vacant posts are: there are 2 posts open for the subject of English, and we are looking for a candidate with qualification of MA in English and B.Ed degree. The salary will range between Rs 13,000 to Rs 20,000. And also secondly, there are 2 posts open for the subject of mathematics, and we are looking for a candidate with a qualification of MSc in mathematics and B.Ed degree. The salary will range from Rs 13,000 to Rs 20,000. On the third, we are looking for 4 graduate teachers, and the qualification the candidate must have is the degree in BSc or BA including DLED degree. The salary will range from Rs 8,000 to Rs 15,000. Lastly, we are looking for a 1 post is open for the subject of computer, and we are looking for a candidate with a qualification of MCA or BCA. The salary will range from Rs 9,000 to Rs 15,000. For any further information, you can call on the number listed in the advertisement notice issued from our school. The date of interview is 3rd of May 2026 on Sunday, and the timing is from 10 AM onwards. All the candidates, those who are interested and want to apply, are requested to arrive on time along with all the original documents needed for verification. Thank you.